This video was requested on Return of Schneider by Maria's World TV. Enjoy the show.
Dark Emerald Chat.
That wasn't me, it was Crystal Cat, she pooted.
No Dark Emerald Chat. Tu had wasn't Crystal Chat. It was you. And stop farting at the dinner table, because it's rude, and it's not fun. And if you don't have, do it in the bathroom.
I agree with your father, so stop laughing about it, because it's not funny, it's rude. And if you need to do that, do it in the bathroom.
Mom and Dad, I'm always being polite at the dinner table.
I know you are, sweetie.
We are so glad you are always being polite. Our sweet princess.
Oh, thank you.
You have so much sweet heart.
Dark Emerald Cat, say excuse me when you burp at the dinner table. Dark Emerald Cat, stop it right now. It's not funny, so say excuse me right now, and I mean it. Excuse Crystal Cat.
Hey. Dark Emerald Cat, stop it. Mom didn't ask you to say excuse me. She asked you to say excuse yourself.
Yeah, Dark Emerald Cat, he told you to say excuse me, not excuse Crystal Cat. Excuse me. Thank you.
My dark clone, will you please mind your manners?
Yeah, Dark Emerald Chat. When you start burping at the dinner table, say excuse me. So, mind your manners. You knows had Dark Emerald Chat. To catch it. It's not take it anymore. Go to your own knows.
Okay, you stupid. Ugly weird mom and dad.
Did Dark Emerald Cat just say a bad word? Yes, Crystal Cat, I think she said a bad word.
Dark Emerald Chat. How old you used had kind of language? You are 11 years old and you should never say any of the words at all because it's a bad word.
And that kind of language is inappropriate to use at your age. Now go to your room right now, and we mean it.
Wow.